is Ask Away Wednesday, where we answer your top questions around data governance, data security, and ALTR. I'm Noah Katz with ALTR's application engineering team. I'm joined by Ami, also an application engineer at ALTR. And Ami, today's question is, why do organizations need to classify their data?
The reason organizations need to classify their data is because in today's world, data drives everything. Understanding how your company operates is purely based on data. So what's really important is understanding what that data actually looks like, and then also understanding what data you need to protect. You're going to have data in your company coming from all different branches, outside sources. It's being piped in through ETL pipelines or just being dropped into your Snowflake databases. It's hard to keep track of all that data and understand, one person can't just see everything and understand every single column you have in your database and what actually consists in those columns. So by classifying your data, you get a really quick and easy snapshot of what data you actually have. With ALTR, you can classify your data with one click of a button, and now you understand what data you have, where it lives, how sensitive it is, and now you can start to understand, what sort of practice you need to apply to that data. You can understand whether you need to dynamically mask that data, whether you need to tokenize that data, and then also who needs access to that data, how much access do they need, and what type of data, or how they could actually see that data. So when ALTR classifies your data, you get a report of that classification. So you can see what columns fall under different classifiers, such as phone numbers, social security numbers, credit card numbers. From there, you can add the columns, and they're actually added under those classifiers. So now you can start to set governance on anything that falls under a social security number classifier. So if I've added a bunch of columns that were under that social security number classifier, I can set one policy up for anything that falls under social security numbers. And now I can easily control hundreds, if not thousands of columns with one policy.
Awesome. Thanks, Ami. We hope that answered your question. Tune in next week when we answer more of your questions. Comment any questions you want us to answer below.